Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's the 22nd of February. As one of my subscribers would say, Gary Wilhall, Washington's birthday. He knew it was Lincoln's birthday in my last video. What was it, the 12th, I believe? Yeah. Well, today's the 22nd of February. I don't want to repeat myself, but I probably did. Gotta be careful with the traffic over here. We are in Paterson, New Jersey, in the city of Paterson. I just want to take a quick ride here. I don't know how good the video is going to be or not, but snow is really going away. We didn't really get any snow. I know North Carolina, Virginia, all them guys got all the, from the last storm, got all the snow. We didn't get nothing, as you can see. We did get rain, sleet, ice. We got a lot of ice. But if it would have been snow with that rain, oh my God, we would have had about 3 feet of snow. But it rained all day long, hard. Oh, we got a kind of a traffic jam over here. What's going on? Let's see what the temperature is while we're doing this. Yeah, it's 40 degrees, but the wind, and it feels like 37. Okay, not too bad. You got to be careful here. People are really dangerous over here. Just try to scoot over when I can. Otherwise, I'm going to be in trouble. I'm going to make this left over here onto the right. Go down that way. Yeah, I want to say thank you to my subscribers and my viewers. Really appreciate you guys. Let's see, how can I do this? After this car, I can do it. Oh, he's making a left too. Yep. He made a right, I'm making a left. Yeah, we'll go down this way a little bit. I know the camera seems like we're closer, but we're not really that close. Oh, look at this. I almost backed up into it. Yeah, I just want to ride my bike, but I haven't rode in 4 days. Nothing. It was so bad over here. Plus the weather we didn't permit. It was like 0. With the windshield below 0 over here, and everywhere else too in the United States, not just in New Jersey, northeastern New Jersey. Yeah, so everybody down south of New Jersey got everything, all the snow and everything. I don't know what South Jersey got. We call it South Jersey. It's by the Philadelphia area. We're over here by the metropolitan area, New York. Not too far. Half an hour I could be in New York with the car, of course. Right over the George Washington Bridge. Let's make a right here. We'll get out of this traffic. Just a quick little ride. Did I thank my subscribers, my viewers? If I didn't, I thank you guys. I know the video's been kind of poor lately, but look at the sky. Oh, maybe we can see the sun down here. Look at all the crows. The other day they were going crazy by me, the crows. There was oh, look at the sun from here. Oh wow, that is cool. There's a guy in the car over there, I didn't even see him. Look at all the crows up there. Oh, gotta be careful, car behind me. We're on 31st Street. Ooh, nice car here. Nice. Here's a scooter. I give him the bell. Oh, we hear that Dodge? Sounds pretty cool. This is where we used to go where the hospital used to be down there, one more block, the Barnett Hospital. Yeah, we're on this side, we're on the south side of Paterson now. From where, we're pretty far from where Hawthorne is. Gotta be careful through here. Narrow little hump here. Hope there's no nails on this thing. Jump the curb. I don't know how long we've been recording for. Oh, my leg. Looked like it cramped up on me a little bit. We're gonna see how long we've been recording for. What happened here? Does it want me to upload again? Stay with the loop. I don't get this thing sometimes. Why does it do it when I'm recording? It's funny, this GoPro, I tell you. I try to download, upload, and man. Here's another thing that I had a problem with. I changed my subscriber, my internet subscriber, and they were supposed to come, like for instance, if they said today, I called them up to have it installed, they said they would be here tomorrow. As an example, I'm using this. So here comes tomorrow, and I get a message, they're not coming. Now, I canceled everything from my other provider, so I had no internet from, I believe it was Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and they came Tuesday. You know what it's like not having TV, internet, nothing? It was awful. I had to put like an outside antenna just to get the channel 2, 3, 4 and them. At least on the weekends I got to watch a little bit of the NASCAR, and I think there was a game on. Channel 7, for some reason, I don't get that. That's that ESPN owned channel. I think channel ABC owns ESPN. I don't know. But yeah, I couldn't get that channel in for nothing. I moved the antenna everywhere, even outside, and I couldn't get it. So they must be doing something. I got to watch a little golf. It was horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Look at these cars over here. This is not a one-way, this is a two-way. We're gonna go down this way a little bit. Here's McLean Boulevard. Let me get on the sidewalk. I don't trust anybody. And my nose is running. I don't know if that lady was looking at my nose or the bike. Or even the camera, maybe. Look at this traffic over here, man. Oh, God. Crazy. Let's go down this way. All these poles everywhere. Yeah, I don't want to go down on that street over there, so I gotta do this. Go right through the parking lot here. It's not really a parking lot, it's like a nice cars over here for sale. This is that Route 20 here where they're doing that construction. Wow, dude, really? Oh, well, there's no cars coming here. This is the 20. Now they cut over here. Look where they go. Look where they end up. They're coming. They cross over. I hope you guys are recording. Oh, yeah. So they cross over into here. This is a two-way highway into one. There's the Pacific River. Oh, you can make it out the river. Yeah, they probably think I work here with my green gloves on. They probably think I'm a construction worker. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely post this one, guys. Heavy rocks over here, though. Yeah. Not that really level. I could have rode on the sidewalk. This is another street here. Look at this street that they're digging up. Riverside Village. Yeah, this is a two-way highway. Check it out over here, this machinery. That's cool. Making this wall here. Hey, it's a journey, guys. Welcome to my journey. Should I jump this heavy curb? Wow, that's about 1.5 feet. Now, the way the bike is heavy like this, nah, I won't do it. No way. Look at this machinery. And this wall over here. Look, it's a wheelbarrow. I'm surprised nobody stole that wheelbarrow. Look at all the traffic over here. The river is on the other side here to my right. Yeah, this is going to be a once in a lifetime for me to do this. I'm not going to be able to do this anymore. Once this becomes a two-way highway. There'll be 2 ways that way and 2 ways coming this way. It's a dirt bike, the e-bike, mountain bike. Yeah, it's cool, man. I love this bike. I guess we're gonna come up this way now to go onto 5th Avenue. Yeah. This used to be the turn way to go up there. They're probably gonna keep it.